Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is How to Fix Your Tech. Now today I thought I'd do a video on how to connect Xbox controllers or the Xbox wireless controllers like this. I thought I'd do a video on how to connect them to iOS, Android and Windows 11. Now with iOS it should work with iPadOS as well, it's very similar. But anyway, without further ado, it's time for the intro. Alrighty everyone, so turn your computer on. This is Windows 11, but it should be extremely similar to Windows 10. Unfortunately, I don't think I've got any Windows devices with Windows 10 on them that support Bluetooth, so we will just have to go by Windows 11, but it's very similar. And I'll try and make it as similar to Windows 10 as possible, because there is other ways in Windows 11 that Windows 10 couldn't previously do. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is use the correct mouse. And you want to search up in the start menu by clicking the Windows button, Bluetooth, it should be enough. Bluetooth and other device settings should be the one. Alright, now if Bluetooth is turned off, you'll have to turn it on up here. Hopefully there's not too much glare for you. Not the best display ever, but it should be good enough. And then you have to click add a device and make sure it's not holding still, because then we'll turn it off again. Yep. Alright, now once you've done that, what you have to do is get your Xbox controller, turn it on by holding the Xbox button, and hope it doesn't connect to something already in my case. And then what you want to do is you want to hold this button up here, it's the pairing button, until the light starts flashing quickly. There we go. Alright, now out of all these settings, for some reason I found that despite the fact that it says that everything else Xbox controllers with Xbox wireless adapter, I have had to go into Bluetooth up here. So you can always give this a shot first, but for me it's only worked with Bluetooth up here. So I'll just keep this in the frame, click Bluetooth, and it should come up. There we go, Xbox wireless controller, and then you just click it. It should say connecting. And there we go. Now once you're connected, this should go to stop flashing. It should stop flashing, and if you click it, we'll just get that out of the way. Here we go. We should have Xbox game bar pop up here. So that goes to show that it works. You've got your battery up here. Mine was like almost full this morning, and until I took the batteries out and replaced them, it's figured out no, they're actually not full. So that if you're having issues with not connecting, not coming up here, which I was this morning trying to get this video ready, reseat the batteries and you should be good. Alright, now on to Android. Alright, so you might want to note that on the Xbox side, everything in this video on the Xbox controller is the same. It's just I decided to do it for the different operating systems. So, what you want to do is get your Android device. You want to log in, and I'll bring it up close for you. You want to swipe up, or you want to get to settings. So there's a couple ways. You can swipe from the top, and there's settings here, sometimes up here on Samsung and stuff. But anyway, however you get to settings, go into settings. Then you want to go to connected devices, and pair new device. So it should start searching for them, and now all you want to do is the same thing as last time. You want to hold the Xbox button to turn it on, and you want to hold this button for I think it's about 5 seconds, or until the light starts flashing quickly. Alright, now what you want to do is you want to go into here where it says Xbox wireless controller, and you want to tap it. And it's as easy as that. Now on this case, it should say currently connected. In this case, the controller recognizes connected first, but that does not matter. It just, as soon as it's connected, this should stay on, not flash. Alright, so we'll just test it by clicking the back button. Or not, that's the A button. We'll just there we go. And there we go. So there we go. Now, last of all, time for iOS. Alright everyone, so here with an iPhone, all you have to do is log into it, then go into settings, and before we go into Bluetooth, because I found out that doesn't work as well, we want to do the same thing here. So hold the power button on the Xbox button, sorry. Hold this button on top, and then go into Bluetooth on your iPhone. And there we go, Xbox wireless controller, just tap it. And then we click pair. And we're connected. So I'm not really sure, I haven't really tried this yet. I'm not sure what you can do on this, basically, with an Xbox. It works, I think it works better with an Android phone. As it doesn't really do anything, right now at least. But, there we go, we're connected. So that's it. So, thanks for watching. Hopefully you found this video helpful. I thought I'd just post it, as I have done a review of this controller and a setup, but that's been with the wireless adapter, and that's a lot easier to use, and I didn't really cover this at all, so I thought I'd do it on Bluetooth instead. And just to show that you can use an Xbox controller that you bought with a wireless adapter with Bluetooth on other devices as well. But anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to. This is How to Fix Your Tech, and I'll see you in another video.
See the horizon, turn us to thousands.